Once, the Renault 5 Turbo ruled rally stages. Small, wild, and turbocharged to madness. Now, it's back. But this time, it runs on pure electricity, and it drifts harder than ever. Back in the 1980s, the original Renault 5 Turbo shocked the world. A compact hatchback turned mid-engine monster, dominating Group B rally with rear-wheel drive chaos and 160 horsepower. It became a symbol of French rebellion on four wheels. Fast forward 40 years, Renault resurrects the legend as the Turbo 3E, a tribute with a twist. Underneath the retro shell lies the future: two electric motors, 380 horsepower, 700 Nm of torque. An instant power delivery that makes it faster off the line than its gas ancestor ever dreamed. It's built for drifting, not commuting. A carbon fiber chassis, 42/58 weight balance, and a roll cage straight from the track. Even the look, squared-off arches, rally lights, and neon pink accents, screams 1980s nostalgia fused with cyberpunk tech. But here's the wild part: this isn't a concept lost to design museums. Renault built it to move, slide, and smoke tires in silence. It's proof that electric can be emotional, playful, even reckless, and just like that, the Renault 5 Turbo is reborn. The same madness, new heartbeat. Once, it ruled rally stages. Small, wild, and turbocharged to madness. Would you take the electric drift beast over the original turbo legend? Drop your pick below. And follow for more car stories that mix the past and the future.
The most expensive car in the world isn't in a showroom, and you can't buy it. It's a Lamborghini designed for one driver only. No passenger seat, no license plate. Meet the Lamborghini Egoista, built in 2013 to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. Under the skin is a 5.2-liter V10, borrowed from the Gallardo. The body is pure fighter jet. Sharp angles, carbon fiber everywhere. The cockpit opens like a jet canopy. You climb in wearing a helmet. No luxury, no comfort, just speed and attitude. While Bugatti chased horsepower and Rolls-Royce chased elegance, Lamborghini built a car that feels illegal to exist. The value? Experts estimate over $100 million. And Lamborghini never sold it. It lives locked inside the company museum. Priceless, untouchable, unrepeatable. Would you drive it, or is it better as automotive art? Comment below and follow for more unreal car stories. In modern endurance racing, a pit stop takes seconds. But in the 90s, one hypercar was designed to slash those times by changing a wheel in under 10 seconds, even with basic tools. Meet the McLaren F1 GTR. It wasn't just fast on track, it was designed for lightning-quick repairs, featuring a built-in air jack system that literally lifts itself for rapid tire changes. While other teams fumbled with heavy hydraulic jacks, the F1 GTR had an integrated pneumatic system. At the press of a button, it would rise, allowing mechanics to unbolt its single nut wheels in record time. This meant a two-man crew could change all four tires faster than some teams could change one. Its BMW-sourced V12 wasn't just a powerhouse, it was placed perfectly for accessible maintenance, making mid-race fixes a breeze. The strategy was so effective that McLaren dominated Le Mans, winning on its debut in 1995. Even the road car, the street-legal F1, came with a titanium toolkit from Facom, ready for any roadside emergency. It wasn't just about raw speed, it was about efficiency and rapid deployment, proving that a car built for endurance could also be a pit stop champion. Would you trust yourself to change a wheel on a multi-million-dollar F1? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more racing legends. A production car with two engines sounds impossible, but it actually existed. In the 1960s, Citroën sold a car with one engine in the front and another in the back. It was called the Citroën 2CV Sahara, built for deserts, farms, and military use. Each axle had its own flat 2 engine, 2 gearboxes, 2 ignitions, 2 fuel tanks. You could run one engine, or both at the same time. That meant real four-wheel drive, decades before modern AWD systems. While brands like Bugatti chased speed, Citroën chased survival. Light bodywork, simple engineering. If one engine failed, the other could still get you home. Only about 700 were ever made. Today, a 2-engine 2CV Sahara can sell for supercar money. A slow car that became legendary by being different. Would you drive a car with 2 engines? Comment below and follow for more rare automotive secrets. BMW's most controversial designs usually divide the internet, but they just unveiled a car so beautiful that even the critics are silent. Meet the BMW Concept Speedtop. It's a 617 horsepower shooting brake that looks like a spaceship, but it's actually a high-tech tribute to the legendary 1990s clown shoe M Coupe. Underneath that flowing, two-tone gradient paint sits the soul of an M8 competition. It packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, the most powerful non-hybrid engine BMW makes. But the magic is in the details. A central spine runs from the hood all the way to the rear spoiler, and the interior is lined with Italian Schedoni leather and crystal inserts. It doesn't have rear seats, instead, it has bespoke luggage shelves secured by leather straps, designed for the ultimate weekend getaway. Think this is just a museum piece? Think again. BMW confirmed a production run of just 70 units for 2026, with a price tag rumored to be over $500,000. It's a car that refuses to follow the SUV trend, proving that the two-door wagon is still the king of cool. It's not just a BMW, it's a collector's dream that was sold out before you finished this sentence. Is this the best looking BMW in decades? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more rare car reveals. For decades, race cars were built by hand, welding metal and shaping carbon fiber. But one hypercar just broke all the rules by printing its fastest parts. Meet the Bugatti Bolide. This isn't just a Bugatti with more power, it's a 1,600 horsepower track weapon that uses massive 3D printed titanium components never before seen in a production car. To achieve its mind-bending 0 to 60 in 2.17 seconds and insane downforce, Bugatti developed 3D printed titanium parts like its razor-thin, hollow spoke wheels, which weigh just 15 pounds each. Even the entire exhaust system is 3D printed titanium, a complex, lightweight structure impossible to build any other way. The result? A car that weighs only 2,734 pounds 1,240 kilograms, lighter than most sedans, despite its massive W16 engine. Bugatti even 3D printed tiny, ultra-thin brake calipers with integrated water cooling, a first for any car. This wasn't just about saving weight, it allowed engineers to create intricate, organic shapes that perfectly channel airflow and maximize strength. The Bolide isn't just fast, it's a rolling laboratory that shows how 3D printing will build the hypercars of tomorrow. Is 3D printing the future of supercars? Tell me below and subscribe for more cutting-edge car tech. This is a road car so legendary, entire countries said no. The Nissan GT-R R34 was legal in Japan, but banned in places like the United States for years. Built in the late 1990s, the R34 GT-R came with a twin-turbo RB26 inline-6. All-wheel drive, advanced traction control, and tech way ahead of its time. The problem? It didn't meet crash and emissions laws outside Japan. No airbags that matched standards. No certified crash tests. Too fast. Too different. Meanwhile, rivals like the Porsche 911 and BMW M5 were engineered for global approval. That ban made it mythical. Prices exploded. Tuners pushed them past 1,000 horsepower. And when the US finally allowed imports after 25 years, the R34 became one of the most expensive Japanese cars ever. Would you drive a car your country once banned?